Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I haven't made a video in a while. I've been kind of busy. I was still gonna do the tool review, but I just got this new part. I pre-opened it. I haven't actually looked at it myself. I just cut the tape. I got this the other day. So I ordered this off of eBay. It's the bumper kit. So this is how it comes. It comes in a long box. And it was in this plastic here, and I decided to go with the paint code of this right here. It's 218. It's Attitude Black, and I went with this rather than the carbon fiber or any other colors because I thought that this would be matching with the glossy black bumper, and I kind of wanted to keep it that way. So what you get is you get this double-sided tape. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this or not. I may go with a 3M only because I don't know what is actually the brand of this tape. Looks like it comes with a little instruction manual. Let's see if I can open it. Just take a quick look at it, and you get some hardware, some screws, some plastic clips. And so, okay, I'm just opening this up. Let's see what is this. Okay, yeah, so it's just a quick instruction manual. Oops. So that's what it looks like. It gives you some instructions. Looks pretty straightforward. Doesn't seem very difficult at all. It's a generic Toms bumper, and so you'll get these side wings here. So I opened this. I've just opened one side just so you guys can take a quick look at it. So this is what it looks like. Like I said, it's been painted, so it should be. Oops, actually sounds like there's some plastic rattling around in there. May have to see if I can get it out. It's probably from when they drilled here. But anyway, so that's what it is. Looks pretty good. The paint job looks decent to me. I mean, I don't really see any orange peel or anything like that. That looks pretty good. And so this is the main part here. This is the bumper. They wrapped it in this kind of, I don't know what you would call it, but anyway, so let's just take a quick look. So it's pre-marked. You probably would have some fitment issues. Generally, these generic parts tend to have a little bit of issue. May need some adjustment or something like that, but in general, it should be okay. I'm just speaking from experience, but who knows, maybe it might be better. So this is what it is right here. It's a gloss black. So this should match the black off the car. So I'm gonna flip it around the correct way so you guys can get a better idea of what it should look like. So it would go like this. It's got some screw holes here. These screw holes are supposedly if you wanted to put generic exhaust tips, if you did not actually want to buy an actual exhaust. I don't really see any issues with the paint. It looks alright to me. May need some buffing a little, but overall it looks pretty good. Like I said, no orange peel. I don't see any noticeable damage or anything, so it looks pretty good. The inside is the matte black. It's not finished here. It's a little dusty though, but other than that, it looks all right. It looks like they sanded some areas here. So I got this for about, I believe maybe it was $220 some, and it came free shipping all the way from Taiwan. And it took about 2 weeks to get it. Surprisingly, it was pretty fast. I also ordered a mid spoiler, also from the same supplier. I got that for about $190. I'll make a video of that when I get it. I probably will not make an install video on this. The only reason is because I may have to install this quickly. It appears that they will be doing some construction in my area, and I'll see how that goes. I may not install this until very late, but I intend to get an exhaust. I was going to order that this Friday. I'm deciding to go with the Remark. I decided to go with the Remark only because I was initially going to go with the HKS, but the supplier that I was intending to get the HKS from seems like they won't be shipping things to America for a while. So anyways, this is what it is. Hopefully I can make an update video when I get this installed so you guys can see what the fitment is like. And yeah, like, share, and subscribe, you guys. See you again.